Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Classes. My dear students, today I am going to give you a very big update information, and it's a breaking news for all the class 10th and class 12th board exam students of Karnataka State Board. Children, as the news is as a viral news is spreading over the places, like even Karnataka State Board exams will get cancelled, and class 12th exams also may get cancelled or postponed. And today we are going to break the news here. Please don't be listening to the viral newses and disturb your concentration, as we are giving you the latest updates and as per the revised reduced syllabus, and also as per the situation of COVID-19. As you can see here, the very big question is, Karnataka has cancelled the SSLC Class 10 board exams, or the Class 12th exams have got postponed, or even that also has got cancelled. Now we are going to give you a very big update information. As you can see here, what is the statement was given by our beloved Karnataka State Board Education Minister, Mr. S Suresh Kumar sir, has given the very big updated information regarding the SSLC board exams. As we have seen previously, just before the days, the CBSE board has cancelled the exams, and even the Telangana government also has declared that the class 10th exams will not be held. The students will be promoted as per certain terms and conditions. Now is the even Karnataka State Board also is going to cancel the board exams. As you can see here, our beloved minister, Education Minister S Suresh Kumar sir, has said that the exams will not be called off. Schools has given the thumbs up. It means all the schools have given a thumbs up that the exams has to be done. Department has clarified that it will be going ahead with the offline format exam for SSLC and even for second PUC students. You are going to have the exams. You are not, it means the Karnataka State Board has not cancelled the board exams, and there is maximum 99% chances are there the exams will not be cancelled in Karnataka State Board. So students, don't disturb yourself and don't get panic in the last moment. And there was no proposal to cancel the exam with any other medical authorities or any other authorities. Okay. And Primary and Secondary Education Minister S Suresh Kumar sir has also clarified that the state has not decided anything in respect of cancellation of SSLC exams on the lines of the decision of CBSE. As many students are thinking, as CBSE has cancelled the exams, so that even our board also may cancel. No, our Karnataka State Board is not going to cancel any exams. The exams will be done as per the given dates. Okay, as the decision is made in the future considering all factors. In case if the exams has to cancel or certain things, if it has to be done, they will see the situation and they will react according to that. But now at present there is no chances the exams will get cancelled. The second year PUC exams will be held as per the scheduled date before, that is May 24th to June 16th. Still many students, as I have seen in the comment section, that many students are asking me, sir, please let us know what is the date of the exam. Is it June 5th, or it has preponed, or it has postponed, or what? Okay, today I am giving you a very big update, children. The dates have not preponed or postponed. The dates are same as it is like before. The SSLC exams dates are going to start from June 21st to July 5th. So these dates are fixed, and these dates has not altered, and it's not going to get altered. Okay, the dates will remain as it is. So many sources have even suggested that the exams unlikely to call off. Okay, it means that the exams will not get cancelled. As we have seen, even in the previous year, even the pandemic situation was there, but still the exams was held, right? Yes, children, though there was a pressure from various quarters in the last year, but our department, our Karnataka Education Department, has taken it as a challenge and they have successfully done the exam despite few state cancelling in the last year, right? As we have seen, even like same situation was there even in the last year, but still our government, our department has not cancelled by seeing the situation of the students. Okay, as the students have to build the confidence while they are going forward to the next level. They should not lose the concentration, they should not lose the knowledge. That is the reason they have conducted the exams, they have not cancelled. Even this year also will be done in the similar fashion. This is what our beloved education minister S Suresh Kumar sir has said. So please do follow our channel Shah sir classes and subscribe to it, okay, and click the bell icon. Please don't disturb yourself, don't get panic, and don't think the exams may get cancelled, or it will cancel, or it may not get cancelled. What is your duty? You have to follow it. Your duty is what? You have to learn. That's it. Don't listen to anyone and don't react to anyone also. Okay, what is your duty? Just proceed further. But in our channel we are going to give you the passing packages, important updates, important informations, and also we cover certain question and answers of your textbook. And still, if you have any doubts, in the below comment box you can comment to us, we'll get back to you childrens. And share this video as much as possible, as many students are thinking like even our exams also may get cancelled, so that this will be a good message for them, so that they will not stop their studies and they will not stop their preparation. Okay, so please share this video. This is the time you have to share this type of videos to your friends, so that they will get to know what is the situation and what it may happens in the future. So wish you all the best of luck. If you have liked this class, if you have liked this video or the session, do not forget to click the like button, and even ask others also to subscribe to the channel. And if any students want any PDF of the model papers or model paper solutions or any certain important question and answers, please follow our Telegram channel Shah sir classes. Same like our YouTube channel name, same name is there even in the Telegram channel. You will get the very important updates and the PDF links in our Telegram channel. Okay, and also if you have any doubts, you can just go through the description box given below. There also we have shared certain links of important questions. It will be very much helpful at this moment. We are there for you, and do not forget to stop your preparation. Okay, carry on. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well, keep watching. Thank you.